What's up, guys? It's your girl Chantel, and I'm here with another video. So today I'll be doing a vlog. Well, I'll be vlogging my sister in the kitchen, making breakfast. So make sure that you like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and stay tuned for the video. Guys, we'll be making, well, she'll be making blueberry pancakes. As you can see, this is the mixture with the blueberry in it and the cold water. So she's just going to measure the water and then pour it in. Pour and stir. As you can see, it's becoming smooth and mixture like. So that's what the water does, and it has a nice melted look. She's just preheating the pot, well, the skillet, for the pancakes to go in. Spray in the pot with the palm oil and let it heat up. Now we're going to pour in the first mixture. Now one side has become brown, so we have flipped it. Yeah. So yeah, the blueberry, you can see the blueberry showing. Second mixture in. So this is the second mixture. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay, so this is the last pancake that would be fried. You can see a little speck drop right there, so, but that can stay. Now for the eggs, we're going to make scrambled eggs. So there's 5 eggs in the bowl so far, and it's going to have a fluffy look after everything. So keep watching. In the egg with black pepper and salt, and added the evaporated milk to help with the consistency of the egg. It's about to talk foolishness, guys, but yeah. So we're going to mix that, add it together so it can have a fluffy look. Stirring it, whisking, sorry, to make sure that it have a fluffy like texture. Here man say whisking. I'm stirring. It's whisking, guys. See that? See the thickness? Yeah. Pouring it in, pouring the egg. Pour it to scramble. So just whisking that part so it has a small look.
I don't like the scrambled egg chunky,
because Shanice doesn't like the scrambled egg chunky, so she does it small, and you just continue doing that until it's all done. This is the almost complete look. You see how it has a fluffy yellow bright texture. Yep. So you can say I haven't learned something from the vlog. If you didn't know how to get your eggs looking fluffy. The eggs are finished and pancakes are finished, so we're just going to do some fried sausage to add to it, and then we'll be all done and ready to dig in. So now the sausages are frying. Yeah, so this is just what's going to be added to what we already have. Don't mind the egg in the pot already. Breakfast complete.
Blueberry pancake is the bomb.
Guys, you heard?
Right, my daughter.
Thanks guys for tuning in and watching the video. Make sure that you leave a like and a comment and share if you want. Yeah, so stay tuned and see you on my next video. Peace.